St. Christopher's Fund. And that is just an awesome group right there. They helped us out, and my wife would like to say something right now.
Can I mention St. Christopher's and how we got started with them? And I had a tibial plateau fracture, broke the joint, tore the meniscus, and blew the ACL out in one shot. I ended up not walking for 5.5 months. Some friends of ours had mentioned about a charity that would help, and a bunch of drivers that wanted to help us, because he had to stay home for 3 months because I couldn't do anything. Thank God St. Christopher's, they stepped up and they helped pay our lot rent when we were living in Jacksonville, and they paid our insurance on our truck and things that we could not have done without them. And the drivers we didn't even know were helping, sending donations. And it was just like, we've never asked for help. We always did it ourselves. And it was just like, wow, there are some nice people out there.
So, if we weren't out there, I don't know what we do, you know.
How would I get my chocolate?
Yeah, how would my wife get her chocolate? She's a chocoholic.